Hello everyone, this is your Tito Mark of Tech Pinas, and what I have here is the JBL Soundgear Frames, offering the perfect fusion of sound and fashion. JBL Soundgear Frames are audio glasses that have built-in speakers that let you listen to your favorite songs anywhere you are. And they even come with swappable glasses that you can change to your prescription ones for daily use. JBL Soundgear Frames are now officially available in the Philippines for 9,499, and it comes in two versions, the one with the square frame and the other one with the round frame. There are three available colorways, namely Onyx, Amber, and Pear. What I have here is the square amber version of JBL Soundgear Frames. And you'll see me wearing it in a bit. For now, let's check out everything that's inside the box. So we have the JBL Soundgear Frames itself, the carrying case, the quick start guide, the safety instruction and warranty card. You have the cleaning cloth right there. There's also the dual USB Type-C charging cable, because you have to charge the two stems of the JBL Soundgear Frames. All right. Hi guys, this is your Tito Mark of Tech Pinas, and we're now on day 3 of our stay here in Dusit Thani Hotel in Mactan, Cebu. Okay, so we're here for the official launch of several amazing JBL products in the Philippines, and one of them I'm wearing now. This is the JBL Soundgear Frames. And what's particularly cool about this wearable is that it has integrated discrete speakers on the sides, and these allow you to listen to your favorite music tracks anywhere you are, whether you're strolling around the city, driving around, or if you're just walking along the beach with someone you like. Alright, so I actually really like it. I love the design, like what the Gen Z say, very aesthetic. There you go, and I think many of you will also love this product when it becomes available in the market. Go ahead and check it out. Again, this is the JBL Soundgear Frames. Hi everyone, this is your Tito Mark of Tech Pinas, and I'm currently using my JBL Soundgear Frames audio glasses to listen to music. So I'm blasting one of my favorite songs, and it's already in the top volume, so it's in the loudest volume. So if you're thinking about, or if you're worried about the sound leak that's coming out of the built-in speakers of these audio glasses, well, I want to give you a sample. So as I've said, the volume is on maximum. This is about the closest that your friend or practically any stranger could have to you, in proximity to you. So can you hear the song that I'm playing? How about on the side? Can you hear it? So again, I'm playing the song with maximum volume. Can you hear it? Okay, I'm gonna put the camera very close to the speaker. Okay. Okay, so that was very close. Were you able to hear it? So can you name the song if you were able to hear it? So what can you say about the sound leak? Is it good? Is it acceptable? Let me know your thoughts.